Here we go. We are going to assemble this project. So you've already cut it out, you've already folded it in half, and we are going to match our elements. So we've got the 2s and the 2s on everything, and then we've got a little star part, and we are going to fold kind of like this. We're going to go over, but you see I only have 3. 1, 2, 3. So that means I have one hiding, so I'm going to go the other direction, underneath, instead of over. And look at that, that gives me 3 on one side, but then I get the Wolfie. But there she is hiding, so that means I need to tuck one under and fold the stars back to back. Okay, so here we go, we flip it over, we've got 4 and 4, and I'm going to undo it so I can show you one more time. Watch the directions carefully, because they do tell you exactly what to do if you read the words very carefully. Very carefully. So we've got our star, we've got our 2s, and our 2s. We're double checking to make sure everything is correct. And now our goal is to make the stars both on the same side, so stars and stars. And then we need to fold it into this square, but we need 4 elements on one side. How do we do that? That doesn't get us 4, that gets us 3 and Wolfie. Okay, so we're going to try again with over. Oh, no, definitely not. Where is Vampira? Okay, there she is. She's hiding underneath. So if she's hiding underneath, then I am going to think carefully, critically even. Oh, look it. I got 3 of them, but not quite right. I'm going to go under. Now 1, 2, 3, and the star is on top, which means I'm on the right track. There we go. Flip that, tuck that, stick it together like this. Okay, see, Wolfie's under there. Vampira. Now we have 4 Vampiras and 4 Frankies. Now, these gaps that are right here where it opens to the other side, that is important because we are going to, that's where our Wolfie is hiding. He's under there. So when we fold it, he's going to end up showing up. So we're going to glue these 2 parts together. So I folded the star over the other side so I can put glue all over this. Make sure that you put lots of glue, especially on the edges, because when you're folding it, they will wiggle loose. Now, we do want to give it a moment to dry, but we're just testing to make sure that we can see our openings. And you will see the openings go different directions. So one goes towards the top and one goes towards the bottom. Now, I'm trying to pry this one open just to help myself later. Making sure that I have these openings will make the trick of the project work easier. It also gives me time to let it dry. Now I'm going to pinch fold the middle on both sides. There we go. And I'm just making sure that that still opens. Yep. Okay. Now we are going to fold in half and we're going to pry it open. You'll see in the center there, the lines where his feet meet his head on the other picture. That's where it is flipping and it gets a little caught up. So we have to carefully pry it open. And I found a loose corner, so I need to put some more glue on that because that is interfering with its movement. So make sure you get those corners. I got glue on my fingers, of course. Now, again, we have that little gap. We want that gap. Though that is where it gets stuck, is in that gap between the pictures top to bottom. There it is. There's Wolfie. And we turn it over, and there's Frank and Wolfie. Flip it. Where's Vampira? She is, see, it's getting caught up. There it is, that edge. And that's going to happen, and the more you play with it, the less that's going to happen.
Cut, glue, spot, let's make some magic.